Our project is about bus monitoring system to avoid the excess crowd. We have implemented this project to reduce the crowd in the buses. Today, most of the city buses are mostly crowded. In order to avoid this and the people to feel comfortable, we have implemented this project. And in our project, we are using the power supply. Power supply is given at 12 volt. And this is microcontroller interface, and we are using two types of sensor. This is microcontroller, PIC microcontroller. In this PIC microcontroller, we have programmed for this project. And this is GSM. This shows the countings of passengers entering into the bus. Now, if a person enters into the bus, when a person nearing to the sensor, this sensor will detect, and this shows in the glowing of the LED. This sensor we are using for increment process, and this is another sensor which we are using for decrement process. Here, when the person leaving the bus, this sensor is counted by this sensor. These two signals are incremented and decremented, and this process is done by the program done by the microcontroller, and the total number of persons will be sent to the display. After the increment and the decrement process over, this final amount will be sent to the display. Through the display, we are sending to the GSM, that is Global System for Mobile. Using this microcontroller interface, we are sending this message to the GSM. Through the GSM, we can send the message to the terminal which we needed. From this terminal, we can get that the increment percentage and the decrement percentage and the total. From this, the person who's at the terminal can able to know how many passengers are in the bus and how many buses are needed in order to reduce that crowd. Thus, we have projected to reduce the crowd in the buses. This is also helpful in another process, like sending a bus to a particular place will increases the fuel consumption. By implementing this project, the need of the bus requirement will be known, and the bus availability for a particular place we can identify, and that particular amount will be sent to the place. This results in the reduction of fuel consumption. Thus, it is a dual purpose project. Thank you.